Good evening, and thanks for joining us. I'm Kristen Copeland.
I'm Jason Powlis. There is a legal challenge to New York's new gun laws, which go into effect in 4 weeks.
That's right. The Supreme Court basically made all licenses unrestricted, while the state did the exact opposite. Now, license applicants and holders are eagerly awaiting action by a federal judge in New York. News Channel 2's Jolene Ferris has your top story.
The Gun Owners of America, Gun Owners Foundation, and Gun Owners of America New York have filed this case in federal court in the Northern District of New York against the state police superintendent. They're seeking a permanent or preliminary injunction against New York State's CCIA, Concealed Carry Improvement Act.
There's a host of things. They've basically challenged almost everything that the state does not have historical balance in what it did to say, okay, you can't carry anywhere, you can't carry into public buildings, you can't carry into parks unless it's posted by the owner of the business or by the municipality that you can carry in their parks, which of course nobody's going to do that. Such a liability to do that. Several pages in this challenging the state's constitutional right to look at people's social media accounts, that there's no precedent for that.
There's also no clear view of who would have time to review 3 years' worth of all applicants' social media accounts, which could easily add up to tens of thousands of posts per applicant. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled, then New York State countered. Now what they did is back in federal court. The Volleys have license applicants and holders confused and rushing to the Oneida County Pistol Office.
Unprecedented business. I mean, we averaged in the last 10 business days over 41 people a day through the door of this office. That's double what's normally here.
It appears a federal judge plans to review the challenge to New York's new gun laws before they go into effect.
And Judge Sotheby has said that he will give a decision on either a temporary injunction or a permanent injunction prior to September 1st.
Jolene Ferris, News Channel 2.